So one of the other things I do is the same with my sales calls. Or like if I send an email and I get a question back and I don't know how to respond in a way that's going to get them to hopefully want to continue the conversation. So I have been sending this information along with context to Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I'll say, how can I handle this? Or in this situation, what should I be charging this person? Because they already paid for something else. I don't want to charge them the full price that like somebody who hasn't paid for anything before would. Or, oh, this PR firm isn't really sure because they think of this. And so what should I say? So I'm constantly throughout the day saying, hey, what should I do? Here's context. And then it'll tell me what to do. Now, on one hand, you could say, yes, I'm having the LLM do my thinking, but on the other hand, I don't know the answers to those things. And in the past, if I just answered it the way I would want to answer it, I probably wouldn't get favorable results. So the LLM is helping me to understand what is favorable, what is going to psychologically get them to behave the way I want, which is to continue the conversation. And it's working. So is it wrong for me to trust the LLM to tell me how to handle something that I don't feel comfortable handling in a way that allows me to grow my business in a moral and ethical way?
I don't think it's any more wrong than it is for you to ask your mentor advice.
I see the AI as a mentor.
Right. I don't think it's any more wrong for you to, call up your best friend and say, "Hey, I'm struggling with this. I know that you're in sales. Like, what would you do?" Right? And this is, again, you're asking for advice. You're not, the way you're describing it, you're maintaining the cognitive responsibility of deciding what to do in the end. And I think it sounds so, it sounds like it's in the minutia. It sounds so like, well, where does that start and where does that end? But it is such a big deal that you're asking it, how could I do this better? It's giving you answers, and then you're going to actually run that through your internal algorithms and then do something. What I would posit, and from what I've seen through the people who have used our system versus LLMs and have given us feedback on this, what they see is that when they take that approach, and we force that approach, we force the approach of, we're advice, we're in a conversation with you, it's a conversational relational system, that they get more out of it than kind of that, binary, here's the answer of how you could do it better. It might not actually be how you can do it best.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this insight, I've handpicked another video for you right here on the screen. For more actionable strategies that get you real results, hit subscribe.